I got that little. These ZEVO Flying Insect Traps attract those pesky little bugs with blue and UV light. The bugs are attracted to that blue light, so they fly right in and they get stuck to the back. That one little mosquito sneaks by and gets into our house. This happened to me just the other day, and I had a cartridge of ZEVO waiting for me in my cabinet. I was unsuccessful with trying to get the mosquito myself, so I took ZEVO out of the box, took off the paper to reveal the sticky side, and plugged it in. And within an hour of plugging this in, because I checked it right before bed, I got that little. There he is. This is your starter kit. You get a light and you get a cartridge. And now moving forward, all I have to do is buy refill cartridges. What I love about ZEVO is the look. It's a little bigger than what I thought it was going to be, but it's very sleek, very modern, and if I didn't know any better, I would have thought this was a giant blue light night light. What I also love about this is that the plug rotates, so it can adapt to your outlets. And so to set this up, you would rip off the paper on the back, install the cartridge, plug it in, the blue light lights up, and it starts working. And when it's full, take out the cartridge, toss it, and then refill it with a new one. It's that easy.